Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Michaela and welcome to my 2020 Christmas holiday Decorate With Me. I am so excited to be filming this video. I am actually going to be decorating a little bit earlier this year. I usually decorate right after Thanksgiving just because I really like to have the fall stuff out for Thanksgiving. But it's 2020, so this year as soon as Halloween was over, I was like, Christmas mode. I don't know, I was really excited for Christmas, and so I am gonna be decorating a little bit early. I'm gonna be decorating my living room, dining room area, and my coffee bar. I'm not doing my Christmas tree in this video just because my husband and I, we are from Oregon, even though we're in Texas right now, but we love to have a live Christmas tree. So we usually get it right after Thanksgiving, so I will be doing probably a vlog style video for that and showing you guys how we decorate our Christmas tree this year. I'm really excited because I'm kind of changing some of my decor this year, not much. I honestly don't really know the exact style of what I'm doing, which kind of makes me a little nervous being like an OCD plan type of person, but I wanted to incorporate more like neutral tones, like earthy vibes, kind of steer away from the buffalo red prints. I still have some red stuff here and there, but I wanted to kind of tone it down a little bit. So we'll see how this goes. I really don't know how it's going to turn out, but I'm really excited. So yeah, if this is your guys' kind of thing, be sure to hit the subscribe button and let's get started. Okay, so before we start decorating, I just wanted to turn on my essential oil diffusers. This year I'm trying not to burn any candles. I want to be a little bit more health conscious. So I bought a bunch of essential oils from this company called Plant Therapy. My sister-in-law was actually telling me about them, and they're very, very affordable. They're super inexpensive, but they're pretty like high quality as well, and they come in organic forms. They're kid safe, and so I'm just trying one of their autumn blends with some peppermint to kind of give a candy cane scent, and I really like these oils so far. They seem pretty good, and they have discounts for like military, police, fire, that kind of deal, which is pretty awesome. So I will leave a referral code down below if you guys want to try them out. I'm not sponsored at all by them. I just really like these oils, and so I wanted to share them with you. And yeah, so let's get to decorating.
Place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
Okay, so I'm starting things off by decorating my bookshelf, which is always a decorative staple that I decorate every year. I'm just filling my tin vases with a little bit of pine and some cranberry leaves, and this year I decided to put some burlap bows around them because I'm kind of going, as I said in the beginning of this video, I'm kind of going for more an earthy vibe, and so lots of burlap. And I bought some new garland this year. I am trying to upscale my garland. The stuff I had last year was just way too cheap looking, and so I wanted that more realistic pine look. And I actually got this garland from I think it's called Hearth and Hand, the Magnolia brand that's in Target. So this is the brand that I got the garland from, and it was pretty inexpensive for a garland, and I just really liked the look of it, and I just kind of decorated it with some pine cones. Like I said, I wanted to keep it really natural and just like earth tones, and so I threw my Have Yourself a Merry Christmas in the background, that sign, my favorite little red pickup truck. Always gotta have the red pickup trucks if you know me. And then this year, I was really excited because I purchased a nativity set from Hobby Lobby. I have been really wanting to have a nativity set in my home just because My husband and I were Christians, and so obviously Christmas is very special to us with the meaning behind it and obviously the birth of Jesus. And so I just want to have a nativity set in our home to just remind us what this season is all about. And that way, when we eventually have a family of our own, we can teach our kids what Christmas is really about.
I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill.
So moving on to the TV stand in our living room, I'm using that same garland that I used for our bookshelf and placing it over the front of the TV. And I'm kind of having it hang to one side, kind of like I had our bookshelf set up. And I really like that style of just having the garland kind of just like hang over the edge. I really feel like that's like a popular, I guess, look that's been going on, and I just really like that look, and this garland is just so pretty. And then I'm putting my little box that holds a bunch of stuff that I don't know where to put, basically. It's got a nail filer, it's got my glasses, it's got remotes and highlighters. It's just, it holds everything. And now I'm just putting some logs in there. I actually bought a bag of logs from Hobby Lobby because I wanted that woodsy, earthy vibe, but I didn't know where to put the logs. But I knew I wanted these logs, and then once I saw that little like box thingy, I was like, oh, this is perfect. And I love how it came out. And now I'm just placing some trees. I bought like a bunch of different style Christmas trees from Hobby Lobby and just kind of placed them throughout my house. Same with pine cones. I bought like the largest bag of pine cones, so I'm just filling them out in the garland, and then placing these candles that I bought last year. I can't remember honestly where I got them, but I got them last year, and just turning on the lights. And I just love this whole look and the ambiance. And once I turn my light off and we're sitting and watching like TV at night or a Christmas movie, it just, oh, it's so cozy, y'all. It is so cozy. Even my husband said when he came home after I was done decorating, he was like, our house feels so homey and cozy, and I just love it so much. So now I'm just tidying up the rest of my living room, cleaning up the couch a little bit, and then I'm bringing out my two little Christmas holiday pillows, and then vacuuming our rug. I'm vacuuming our rug.
Ooh, if I spend it with you, just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
Hey guys, so I just wanted to cut in here real quick before I start working on my coffee bar / hot cocoa bar. I did a little bit of a DIY arts and crafts project that I really wanted to show you guys. So first of all, I really like to do like a candy cane style hot cocoa bar where my coffee bar is this time of year. I just think it's fun and it's cute, and so I really like that candy cane like vibe. I don't know what it's considered really, but I decided to do a little project this year, and what I did was this little rope knot tie thing. I will insert a picture somewhere here of a picture that I found on Pinterest, and I pretty much just looked at it, and I figured what they did was they just took like a rope and some fabric. So basically what I did is I went to Hobby Lobby and I got this patterned fabric right here. I'm so sorry about the light. It's like the sun's going down and everything. But I got this patterned like black and white stripe. This kind of reminds me of like Where's Waldo, to be honest. But I got about a yard of this fabric, and basically what I did was I cut strips of this fabric. And when you cut the strips, I originally had cut the strips sideways, and then when I started looking at it, I was like, wait, this does not look right. So what I ended up doing is, you guys can see right here, you want to cut the strips long ways. So you want to basically cut the strips this way instead of this way, so it looks more of like candy cane-esque. And so I cut a ton of strips, and I got this really thick like it's not jute, but it's like a thick rope and it's white. And so I basically just measured out kind of how long I wanted the string. And then I took some, make sure like with like the ends of these, they come unraveled really easily. So I just took some hot glue to kind of like tie everything in together. But basically I just cut a bunch of strips and just tied them in knots. And I'm going to kind of use this as a banner or like as a garland along my coffee bar and just string it a cup, you guys will see, but I'll string it on the front of it and then around where my mugs hang. And yeah, I just thought this was really cute and different. I am just changing so much stuff this year as far as like my decor goes and just kind of playing to see like what styles I like. So I really like how this turned out. So yeah, let's get to decorating my hot cocoa coffee bar.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe.
I also just wanted to mention that majority, if not all of my Christmas decor is pretty much from Hobby Lobby. So if you guys go into the store or you look online, I guarantee you will find probably most items that I have in my house at Hobby Lobby, except for these little houses. Actually, I got them from the dollar section at Target. There was only about like 4 or 5 houses left, and so I snatched up 3 of them. And I'm so happy I did because I just think that they are the cutest thing and they go with my little coffee bar decor. But yeah, like I said, majority of everything is from Hobby Lobby or generally some stuff from Target or mainly like the dollar section of Target, because I definitely feel like you can get some really good finds there if your store has them. Some stores I feel like are kind of like bare sometimes, but usually at the Target that I like is around in my location, if I can get there first thing in the morning, I usually can find some pretty good stuff.
Stay with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh, 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 ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. With you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing.
Okay, so now we are going to be decorating my 2-tiered tray, which goes on my dining room table and is always a huge focal point of my decor. And I'm changing it up just a little bit this year. I, for a minute, wasn't going to put snow on my tray because I just didn't want that snowy look, but I realized it's actually a really good filler for the trays if you don't have a lot of items. And so I put the snow on the bottom, and then I didn't use, if you guys watched my decorate with me last year, I'll leave that linked down below. But last year I used like a lot of cranberries in my tiered tray, and this year I decided to cut all that out and just keep it with the natural tones, the wood elements, the greens, the pine cones and all that. And I really, really like how this turned out, and this is just fun to kind of play with and kind of just like put your style into it. So let me know down below if you guys have tiered trays, if you like to decorate them. I oftentimes will usually go to Pinterest for inspiration about like how I want to decorate it each year, which is definitely kind of where I went to get this kind of woodsy look, and then I just kind of like to make it my own. But yeah, let me know down below if you guys have one and how you like to decorate yours. Alrighty, you guys, so that is my Christmas 2020 decorate with me. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope this gave you guys some inspiration on how you want to decorate your home this year. Let me know in the comments below if your home is already decorated or if you like to wait. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, let me know you stopped by, and most importantly, I hope y'all have a great holiday season. I know 2020 has been super crazy and it's been a hard year for all of us, but I just encourage you guys that no matter what part of life you're in right now or what you're going through right now, that you're just kind to everyone no matter what, and to just be extremely thankful and to just know that God loves you no matter what and you are loved. So anyways, I hope you guys have a great holiday season and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.